take Mom to the
Acme
and the hairdresser. Man, what?
Okay. How do I find out this is start?
The Acme was packed. I was so shocked.
Getting on the last minute Christmas or stuff food, I guess.
Well, no, and everything was piled. I mean, they had a
What?
shitload of stuff.
I didn't get it. Who we got? Haley Guy presents Blue Harvest.
Uh-huh.
And Family Guy something Dark Side. Yay!
Cool.
So we get the first one and the second one.
The place that I got the Three Stooges thing had
A lunchbox?
no, like a gift, not a gift, but like
He
a
would have his nose in a
pack.
big bag, too.
Hey,
what's
one
like a collection
Oh.
of.
Because I seen it where they had a collectible lunchbox with a shirt, but it was only for Blu-ray. So, couldn't get it. What are they? Computer games?
Computer games, sweetie.
Yeah, you'll be on Mommy's computer a lot now.
And this is the PC.
Yeah, that's what
yeah,
Mommy
it's
has.
a computer game.
It's for Mommy's
'Cause I know
computer.
you like to sit and play on the computer.
Snap City.
Sim City?
Oh, it's the Sims Carnival Snap City.
Snap City, yeah.
And what's at the bottom?
I don't know. You'll find out. Mommy knows you like being on her computer.
Well, that's because I play Plants vs. Zombies,
Yep.
which I really like.
Where's that little one at?
She was just right
Yeah,
here,
that's what I said.
walking all around this
Hey.
stuff.
Does she get up into that tree?
Well,
or
she-
No,
never
but
did
the
it.
ferret was up in the tree. And it was funny because he was walking around. You couldn't see him, but you could see
Yeah.
all the
Before
branches moving as he
windows?
was walking.
Yeah, Mommy's computer. More computer games.
Ratatouille and Shrek Super Slam. Yay.
Well, you got enough there to keep you busy.
Oh, yeah, for a whole week and a half whenever you're out of school.
Like I said, yeah.
Big one.
Now it's heavy. You gotta be careful. What is it?
Oh, my goodness.
What? What is it?
Look at this font.
Oh. It's like a...
Here, you gotta go here. Right there, down there.
Now, that's a good gift.
Here. Can you get it?
Yeah, I think.
Here.
I got it.
It should come right off. There you go. Now pull that out.
Get the tape, please.
Okay.
Get the tape.
I know, but she's gotta open it a certain
Oh,
way.
I can see.
Whoa.
Alright, drop the lid, Leslie. Push the lid back. There you go.
No.
Oh my god.
Yay.
Is it a PS3?
No.
Oh wait, no. It's...
Leslie has a
It's
computer.
your own laptop.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
So these games that we just told you were for Mommy's computer, they're for your own computer.
I'm definitely gonna play this after.
Okay, give it to Mommy.
I have so much stuff.
You made out like a bandit. We were watching Home Alone last night. That movie was so good.
It's a wireless
See that
mouse.
over and over. It's
Really?
so funny.
Wireless?
Yes,
But what about the little plug thing?
there it is.
So it can go wireless.
I know you don't like using the thing on the computer, on the laptop. So I got you your own
Use
mouse.
this instead.
So wireless.
It's wireless.
Yay! So I want to use any like cord.
Not for your mouse, no. Very good. Say hi, Joel.
Hi, Joel.
Too much action.